क्वेश्चन मेरा दो क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर. दिस इज तनु फ्रॉम पीपिंग मून. एंड माई क्वेश्चन इज, ट्रेलर शुरू होता है तो एक आवाज़ आती है. आई थिंक वो तत्कालीन प्राइम मिनिस्टर का है, पाकिस्तानी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट. या
हाँ, वो उनकी असली आवाज़ है.
अच्छा, वो उनकी असली आवाज़.
वो उनकी असली आवाज़
यही
है.
मुझे जानना था कि
नहीं, ये उनकी असली आवाज़ है. Am I right? ये उनकी असली आवाज़ है.
ओके.
तो
एंड
उन्होंने जो आपने सुना वो उन्होंने बोला था ऐसा.
अच्छा, ये उनकी आवाज़ है. ओके. एंड माई सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज टू यू अक्षय, कि आप जब भी कोई वर्दी पहनते हैं तो आप उसको पूरी तरह से जीते हैं. लाइक कोई भी वर्दी पहने, यू डोंट लुक लाइक एन एक्टर और हीरो. यू लुक लाइक दैट, यू आर इन
Question.
तो अभी हाँ, मैं बता रही हूँ क्वेश्चन. सो माई क्वेश्चन इज कि व्हाट डू यू फील इनसाइड. बाहर तो हम देखते हैं बट
देखिए, मैं सीधी सी बात है. मैं अभी ध्यान देख लीजिए
जी.
मैम. ऐसा है कि माय फादर वाज इन आर्मी एंड सो एक इनबिल्ट है अंदर. एंड बहुत ऐसे वैसे भी बहुत गर्व लगता है कभी भी. ऐसे मैं क्या, किसी को भी आप यूनिफॉर्म पहना दीजिए, क्यों एक अंदर से एक अपने आप ही शक्ति आना शुरू हो जाती है. तो उसी हिसाब से, और ख़ास करके एयरफोर्स की वर्दी मैंने कभी पहनी नहीं थी. मैंने पहली बार एक फिल्म में पहनी है. इससे पहले मैंने नेवी का किया था जब रुस्तम की थी. आर्मी में मैंने कई फिल्मों में काम किया, पुलिस में कई फिल्मों में काम किया, लेकिन ये एयरफोर्स पहली फिल्म रही मेरी.
अक्षय भाजी,
आई भाई.
सत श्री अकाल जी.
सत श्री अकाल.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एवरीवन. साल की शुरुआत बहुत धमाकेदार लगती पई है. तो दिस इज सिमरन सिंह फ्रॉम डीएनए. मेरे दो सवाल है अक्षय भाजी. पहले थोड़े नाल लास्ट ईयर जो देखा जाए तो इट वाज नॉट अ गुड ईयर फॉर यू, बट हाउ डू यू लुक अपॉन टू दिस ईयर, बिकॉज यू हैव एन एक्साइटिंग लाइनअप स्टार्टिंग विद स्काईफॉक्स.
Yes, so it's been a great. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली बार नहीं हुआ है, पहले भी ऐसा हो चुका है. And the best part is to keep on working hard. That is what I tell myself, or if anybody talks to me, I talk about it like that only. कि that you have to keep on working hard. मेरे को कई जन आके बोलते हैं कि आप एक फिल्म कर लो साल में, दो कर लो बस मैक्सिमम. लेकिन मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं, मैं अगर काम कर सकता हूँ क्यों ना करूँ. मैंने पूरा करियर अपने इस पे बेस पे बनाया है. मैं अपनी पूरी लगन पे, पूरी मेहनत से. तो कई लोगों ने तो ये भी कहा है कि ऐसी फिल्में छोड़ दो करना जो बेसिकली कंटेंट बेस्ड फिल्म होती है. लेकिन मैं नहीं छोड़ना चाहता. मैं आई वांट टू कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ फिल्म आल्सो एंड डिफरेंट अदर काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स. आई वाज वेरी प्राउड व्हेन आई मेड सरफिरा, though the film didn't work, but I'm very proud. I'm still saying it. It is not my best film, and so that's it.
ओके. मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से, अक्षय भाजी एंड दिनेश जी, आपसे भी. वी आर लिविंग इन अ डे एंड एज वेयर वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग ईच अदर्स फिल्म. हम एक इंडियन सिनेमा हम बोलते हैं. यही अगर हम देखें कि अगर कोई साउथ से कोई प्रोड्यूसर बोलता है कि बॉलीवुड जो है वो सिर्फ जुहू और बांद्रा के लिए फिल्में बनाते हैं, ट्राइंग टू रन डाउन इंडस्ट्री, कि जब भाई पुष्पा ने 80 करोड़ कमाया तो मुंबई सोया नहीं होगा. हाउ डू यू लुक अपॉन टू दिस फैक्ट? हियर वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग ईच अदर एंड वहां पे हम ऐसे कमेंट्स देखते हैं जो मतलब इट्स वेरी डिस्टेस्टफुल.
You know, since the pandemic, there are 5 indie films that have crossed 500, which didn't exist. Maybe we don't speak a lot about ourselves, but the fact is we have 5 huge films. And just Maddox films, just Geo's films are not enough to run the industry. So I think there might be 1-2 people here, 1-2 people who say that. But whenever I've gone to the South, they've been very, very encouraging. So I think if we just start looking at it, that it's an Indian film industry, maybe 500 plus 800 equals 1300. No? So why don't we aim for that?
अक्षय भाजी, how do you look upon to this?
वही बोल देता हूँ उनकी. इस तो उत्तर मैं की बोल.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਦੱਸੋ.
Akshay, Sabina, you
I think I want to add one thing to the South versus Bollywood narrative. I think ये narrative को एक ही जना बंद कर सकता है, जो है मीडिया. आप लोग बंद कर सकते हो इसको, तो आप लोग कीजिए.
Hi Akshay, Sabina here from Zoom channel. Over here. Hi. I've always seen that in most of your movies you try to introduce new talents. Be it Khel Khel Mein, Houseful, or even this one you have introduced Shikhar Paharia. You never fear competition. Sorry, Veer Paharia. So you have never feared as such for competition, because you have always been secure of introducing people in your movies, especially when there is a lot of competition in Bollywood. And even Ajay and you have spoken about the unity in Bollywood.
Question is?
You have never feared of competition.
No, I don't have any fear. I just work, and this film required him, and he got the part. and that's the most important thing. We have to be true to the film, nothing else. And if the film required somebody new, so why not? And it's not about, the film is about him, let me tell you. The film is about the whole film, and you just saw the trailer. And I quite liked the whole film. I loved the screenplay, and that's why I took part in it. It's not about what is my role, kya mera role, isse bada hai ki nahi. It is not that. It is that the film is good. That is why I was in.
Also, the last question to you is, like, this time, have you been very sure about the stunts you performed? Because last time when you were doing with Tiger, you said that, you're very careful now with your stunts. With your stunts, when you're doing, when you're performing stunts, for yourself.
In this film?
Yes.
What did I do?
Were you been very careful while doing the stunts?
Yeah, I'm always careful. अभी मेरे को यहाँ से जाना नीचे, I'll be very careful. I'll be very careful.
Hi Dinesh, here Abira from NDTV. Dinesh, this year has been great for Maddock, but when we see as the Indian film industry as a whole, they have not been doing as well as the previous years. This year, 2025, how do you see, the creative crisis that we have been going through, comes to an end? How you see yourself as a producer, how film industry?
I feel that everything that's happening in society happens in films, and everything that's happening in films happens in society. We are a very quick learning industry. Like I said before, just Maddock's films doing well are not enough. But this year I'm quite excited with our lineup, with Yash Raj's lineup, with Dharma's lineup. I think there'll be some fantastic films coming. And I feel that up and down happens as long as you learn and evolve. And I think that evolution's happened in writing. Somewhere our strength is that we write for a year and a half before we go. We don't try and put projects together. And I think that's what the whole business has done. So I think this year, I have a feeling will be fantastic. I think it totals to 9. Ram ka number acha jayega.
Read this side, Lipika here. How was it, you've been working behind the scenes. How was your first day in front of the camera? Was your first scene with Akshay?
Yes, it was.
Would you elaborate?
Thank you for your question. The first day of shoot, actually a week before that, Dinu sir introduced me to Akshay sir, and Akshay sir was so kind and welcoming that he broke the ice in 1 second. And from then on, we became great friends. He became an elder brother to me. He guided me throughout. We worked on the scene in different ways. Maybe like 30-40 rehearsals we did, sir, takes and everything, and he was very, very kind, and I really had a blast working with him. Thank you.
Akshay, would you like to add something? Here. Akshay, would you like to add something? You must have, इसकी टांग तो खींची होगी. क्या किया आपने और?
मैंने कोई टांग नहीं खींची. मैंने कुछ नहीं खींचा. मैंने ऐसे ही किया. बहुत मजा आया काम करके. बस काम करने आए थे, टांगे खींचने नहीं आए.
Hello sir, hi.
बोलिए.
Deepak from News 18. I have 2 questions actually. The first being, sir, like you said, you did 1.5 films now with Maddock. I just want to take my chance and ask on behalf of everyone, will you be a part of the Maddock horror comedy universe?
Of course. Didn't see the last shot? He's a Thanos.
Do you want to say something?
No, I don't. वो तो ये बोलेंगे ना, मैं थोड़ी. वो तो ये बोलेंगे और वो बोलेगी. उन्होंने पैसे लगाने हैं, इन्होंने प्रोड्यूस करना है और उन्होंने डायरेक्ट करना है.
Okay, Veer, my next question is to you. We saw that you will be sharing screen space with Sara also in the film, and you have had a friendship with Sara. I just want to understand, does the equation change when you're working with her in any way? Also, was it reassuring to be sharing screen space with somebody you already know?
Talking about friendship or Stree's friendship?
No, I'm talking about.
No, it was great. She was very supportive. She has a lot of experience in the industry already, so she did help me a lot, and I'm very grateful. And thank you, Sarah.
All right.
Thank you for the answer. Hi Veer, and congratulations to the entire team. It looks like a brilliant trailer. Veer, my question to you is that your role is very intense,
Right.
and it requires a lot of preparation. So for this role, how did you prepare yourself?
So defense and the Air Force is something that both of us are very passionate about, and I've been following fighter jets for as long as I can remember. So that is something that came very naturally to me. But getting the nuances, getting the body language, the salute, everything had to be perfect because we're playing real heroes from the 65 war. Can't mess that up. So we really worked hard on it. Amar sir, Abhishek sir, Dinu sir, Jyoti ma'am and Sandeep sir, they sent me to a few Air Force bases. I spent weeks and weeks there perfecting it, the body language. I tried to keep my hair short, my mustache, get everything perfect. So it would be like second nature. So when I went to set, these things came pretty naturally. I didn't have to think about it so much. We were focusing on the performance.
अक्षय जी
एक मिनट
Hello everyone.
Okay, thank you very much everyone.
One last question.
अक्षय
Sir, my question is for Jyotika.
ओए
Jyoti,
जी मैम, we'll come.
Jyoti, with an exceptional start of 2024, like Lapata going for Oscars, 2025 has begun with Sky Force. What is the audience expecting from Geo Studios in this year?
I think more of the same stuff. Fewer movies than 2024 in Hindi at least, but big ones. And we also have a lineup of a lot of Marathi films. I think I've said before also we want to tell lots of stories, but stories with purpose. I think as a studio we've taken upon us to sort of revive that culture. So just entertainment, nothing else.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's all we have for you.
एक उसको पूछ ली
आइए, अरुण सर आइए.
एक मिनट हाँ पूछ ले बेटा बिना माइक के पूछ ले
तकरीबन कितनी फिल्में आने वाली है आपकी साल 2025 में? तकरीबन कितनी फिल्में आने वाली है आपकी साल 2025 में?
25 में अच्छा
एंड वीर
3
एंड वीर हमने सुना है कि मतलब अक्षय जी बहुत ही अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठते हैं एंड जल्दी अपनी शूटिंग पैकअप करके जल्दी सो जाते हैं, तो आप इनके साथ में क्योंकि ये फिल्में हैं तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना, शूटिंग करना एंड जल्दी सो जाना?
मेरा दिन खत्म होता था, इनका दिन शुरू होता था, पर सर ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी. सर मुझे कसरत कराते थे, उनके साथ मैंने वर्कआउट कराया, अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल पकड़ी और हाँ बहुत मजा आया. और सेट भी बहुत मजा आया.
ये दूसरी फिल्मों की बाद में बात करेंगे.
We'll do a quick photo op.
हाँ
We'll do a quick picture. Yeah.